Welcome to Top Rated Crew, the YouTube channel that helps you make the best online shopping. Today, we'll be looking at the 3 best metal cutting saws on Amazon. Stay until the end of the video if you want to see which product we recommend is the best. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our latest videos. The third position goes to the Metal Cutting 7.25-inch Circular Saw Evolution. You can find the links for each product in the video description. The Evolution Metal Cutting 7.25-inch Circular Saw is a powerful tool designed for precision cutting of metal materials. With its high-torque motor, this saw delivers smooth and accurate cuts through a variety of metals, including steel and aluminum, making it an essential addition for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. One of the standout features of this circular saw is its advanced blade technology. It uses a specially designed blade that allows for cold cutting, which means it produces minimal heat and sparks during operation. This not only enhances safety but also extends the life of the blade and reduces the need for additional finishing work after cutting. The saw's lightweight design ensures ease of handling, allowing for better maneuverability, especially in tight spaces. It also features a laser guide, which helps users achieve more precise cuts by providing a visual cutting line. The adjustable cutting depth further enhances its versatility, enabling users to tailor their cuts according to their specific project requirements. Durability is another important aspect of the Evolution Circular Saw. Its robust construction is designed to withstand heavy-duty use, ensuring reliability on the job site. The saw also includes an ergonomic handle, providing comfort during extended use and reducing user fatigue. Whether you are cutting metal for construction, renovation, or fabrication projects, the Evolution Metal Cutting Circular Saw stands out as an efficient and reliable tool. With its innovative features and solid performance, it makes metal cutting tasks more manageable and precise, ultimately contributing to a higher quality of work. Number 2 is the DeWalt Chop Saw Model D28715. The DeWalt Chop Saw Model D28715 is a robust tool designed for efficient and precise metal cutting. Featuring a powerful 15-amp motor, it delivers high performance for a variety of applications, making it suitable for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The 14-inch carbide-tipped blade allows for smooth cuts through different materials, including steel and aluminum. One of the key advantages of this chop saw is its quick change system, which enables easy blade replacement without additional tools. The saw also includes an adjustable fence, ensuring accurate cuts and angles for different projects. Its lightweight design and ergonomic handle provide comfort and ease of use, making it manageable during extended work sessions. With its durable construction and reliable performance, the DeWalt D28715 is an excellent choice for anyone looking to achieve clean and precise cuts in their metalworking projects. And to finish, the first position goes to the Evolution S355 CPSL, heavy-duty 14-inch metal cutting chop saw. The Evolution S355 CPSL heavy-duty 14-inch metal cutting chop saw is a powerful and reliable tool, designed to tackle tough metal cutting jobs with precision. Equipped with a 14-inch carbide-tipped blade, this chop saw is ideal for cutting through a wide range of metals, including steel, aluminum, and more, making it suitable for professional contractors and metal workers. One of its key features is its high-torque, low-speed motor, which reduces heat and sparks during cuts, resulting in safer operation and cleaner finishes. Unlike abrasive saws, this metal cutting saw produces burr-free cuts, reducing the need for additional grinding or finishing. This cold cutting technology extends the blade's life, ensuring more durability and efficiency over time. The saw is also designed with an adjustable vise, allowing you to securely hold different shapes and sizes of metal for accurate cuts. Its quick-release mechanism ensures fast material changes, enhancing productivity. The saw's 0 to 45-degree adjustable cutting angle further adds to its versatility, making it easy to achieve precise angled cuts when needed. In terms of durability, the Evolution S355 CPSL is built with a heavy-duty base and steel components, ensuring stability and longevity in demanding work environments. It also features an ergonomic D-handle for comfort during prolonged use, reducing operator fatigue. With its robust construction, precise cutting capabilities, and innovative cold cutting technology, the Evolution S355 CPSL is an excellent choice for metalworkers who need a high-performing chop saw for heavy-duty tasks. Whether working in fabrication, construction, or automotive repair, this saw delivers reliable, accurate, and efficient results. We hope you enjoyed our top 3 metal cutting saws that you can buy online through Amazon and at the best prices. Remember that you'll find the links to buy these products in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our updates. See you in the next video.